Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today I'm here doing something a little bit different. I'm doing a feature highlight for the Google Pixel 3 XL, also the Google Pixel 3. It's the call screening feature. So if you're curious how this works in practice, in reality, where the rubber meets the road, I wanted to show it off because it's probably my most favorite new feature, especially because there's so much spam and garbage calls that you get nowadays. I'm having to block so many numbers, it's ridiculous. So it's nice whenever these numbers pop up that I'm not sure what they are, and Google will go ahead and intercept them. And to my knowledge, this is also, of course, it's available on the Pixel 3, but I hear it's also backward compatible with the Pixel 2 and the original Pixel series. So if you've already got it, go ahead and sound off in the comments, let me know. I did hear one of my buddies had it. I don't know what version of the software they're running, but should be for you guys too. So I'm going to show this off. All right, put speaker. Now let's see what happens. Oh, there we go. We got our first caller. Adam, my love. This is my wife's phone. Well, her account. Screen call.
Hi, the person you're calling is using a screening service from Google and will get a copy of this conversation. Go ahead and say why you're calling.
Hey, I wanted to see what our plans are for dinner this evening. Alright, so we have some options here once we go ahead and do that. And you can see it's still going to follow along here. So you can do tell me more, you can do is it urgent, and I can't understand. You can do call me back, I'll call you back, or I'll message you. So those are the options, or you can just straight up hang up. So tell me more.
Just so it's clear, go ahead and say more about why you're calling.
Yeah, I couldn't figure out, did you want to have Mexican food or Italian food for dinner? Because I'm really in the mood for enchiladas. Let me see, it's really, really accurate. And I love me some enchiladas, so that sounds like it's urgent.
Do you need to get a hold of them urgently?
Yeah, I really do. We have reservations in like 10 minutes, bro. Answer the phone. And this guy's really rude. I don't want to talk to him. So I'm going to go ahead and say, nah.
Sorry, they can't take the call right now. Thanks and goodbye.
All right. And now, you know, my other alternate persona who wanted enchiladas is probably really upset right now that I didn't answer the phone. But anyway, so that's how the call screening feature works. Short, simple, sweet. It's really cool. And I really like to have the control on my phone because Google intercepts them and answers the phone for me. I don't have to talk to these people. Or, you know, if my brother calls me and he wants $5, I can torment him for a little bit before I decide to go ahead and answer the phone. But it's really neat because if somebody knows what's going on, they know you're on the other end of the phone screening it, and you're sitting there. You know, if it's just a random stranger, they're like, I don't understand what this is, and generally they hang up. But it's really cool. So anyway, call screening feature, super cool, super awesome. One of the best additions to the Google lineup that has come with the advent of Android Pie. So I like it a lot. Hopefully this has answered some questions for you if you were curious about it, because it's something that I think would probably appeal to a lot of people. Anyway, so that's all I got for today. As always, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comments section, and I'll see you guys next time.